Have you ever wondered why volcanoes suddenly explode? What is happening inside the Earth? Deep inside our planet, it is extremely hot. So hot that rocks melt and turn into liquid called magma. When magma rises toward the surface, pressure builds inside the volcano. And when the pressure becomes too strong, boom, the volcano erupts. Lava, ash, and hot gas shoot high into the sky. Did you know? There are about 1/500 active volcanoes on Earth, and many are located in an area called the Ring of Fire. Volcanoes may look scary, but they actually help create new land. Many islands were formed this way. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It rises more than 9 kilometers from the ocean floor. Our planet is full of incredible natural wonders. Follow Learn with Adeesha to explore more amazing Earth science.